Hey guys, it's Geneva. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how I got this spotlight look. So first we're going to go in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Anti-Aging. And you're just going to coat your eyes and blend that out with a beauty blender. Now we're going to set our base in the Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette. And we're going to use the first shade out of that large transition row in the center. And that shade is called Bear. And you're just going to buff that in across your entire eye to set in your primer. Now we're going to go in with Evolve from that same transition row. We're going to use that to define our crease, and this is going to be the base for all the colors that we used. Now we're going in with the shade Passion, and this is really going to be the main shade that we're using across our eye. So you want to focus that on your crease, but also blend it all across your eye, like this. Now we're going to cut out that spotlight. I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard. And a little bit goes a long way with this concealer. So you saw I only really put 2 dots in there. And then I'm going to blend that out with a small concealer brush. Now we're going in with the star of the show, Naked Cosmetics Loose Pigment in Mother Nature. I'm packing that on just with a flat eyeshadow brush. You want to use something that's a little more dense when you're working with loose pigments, just because you don't want it to have fallout everywhere. And this is just an Eco Tools brush. So now we're going back in with Passion, and I'm just going to deepen up my inner corners. I felt like it looked a little light, and you want to have it pretty even across your eyes. And we're also going to use that to blend out those harsh edges on the sides of that pigment in the center. Going back into Evolve, we're going to blend out the top of our crease there, and this is just going to give it a little more of a gradient look. With a powder brush, we're wiping off any fallout that came from that loose pigment, and then we're going back in with Passion on our under eyes. Then we're going into Forever, and we're going to use this to tight line just the under eye. And this is really going to give your eye a lot of definition, shape. And for people with darker eye colors like me, I have dark brown, this is really going to lighten your eyes and make them pop. Now I'm going in with the IT Cosmetics No-Tug Gel Liner in black, just to tight line my upper lid. And then we're going in with the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. And this is going to be a base for the falsies I'm putting on. You always want to use mascara before you put on falsies, just because it gives the glue something to grip on. And these are the Huda Beauty lashes in Samantha number 7. They have a really dramatic look to them. They have that tapered flare on the outer corner, which is, you know, the style of lash that I really love. Next, we're moving on to lips with the Huda Beauty lip contour set. This is the Trophy Wife set. So the liner is in the shade Trophy Wife. And then I'm using the Trophy Wife liquid lip on the outer corners to contour my lips. When you're contouring your lips, you always want to use the darkest shade on the outside and then use the light shade in the center for a pop. And this is the light center shade in the shade Muse. And this is really what's going to give your lips that full, juicy kind of effect. We're going to set everything with MAC Fix Plus. And I always set before I put on highlighter because it makes your face a little wet and it's going to hold the highlighter better. This is the Dose of Colors Desi x Katy collab in the shade Mirame. This has been one of my favorite highlighters. It's totally blinding and it gives you that greasy little piggy effect. And this is the completed look. If you guys like this look, if you guys like me, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.